Hello everyone, thanks for purchase AceFuture 4-in-1 stationary exercise bike for home use. According to the agreement, this 4-in-1 exercise bike is exclusively design and sell in United Kingdom for now. Our inventory is stocked in local UK warehouse and your order is dispatched from local UK warehouse too. And if you saw this exercise bike from somewhere outside of United Kingdom, beware that may not come from us. You can send us an email to verify it. Now, let me guide you through the assembly steps. After you receive the package, open and take out every part in the box. Remove packing materials on it. You need to pay special attention to this white styrofoam in the box. Turn it over and you will find a seat and a brown box are putted under the styrofoam on each side. Don't miss it. Now, let's check parts list on manual one by one. Number 1. Bike main frame. Number 2. Handlebar. Number 3. Handlebar stem. Number 4. Left and right pedal. Number 5. Front stabilizer with wheels. Number 6. Rear stabilizer. Number 7. Digital monitor, it is putted it in a brown box. Number 8. Back pad. Number 9. Side handlebar. Number 10. Seat. Number 11. Seat stem. Number 12. 1 ankle strap and 2 band handles. And a hardware pack with user manual. In the hardware pack, we have 1 Allen wrench, 1 13 to 15 wrench, 1 8 to 10 wrench, 2 bolts, 2 spring washers, 2 curved washers, and 1 seat height adjust knob. If you find any part is missing or has a visible damage on the part, please do not return the whole product. Just simply send us an email or submit a contact form on official website. We will contact you for after service. Now, let's start the assembly work. Step 1. Loosen fasten knob here and pull its head outwards, open the bike main frame, adjust to one of the holes and tighten. This is the front stabilizer, it is longer than rear stabilizer, and it has small wheel here. Loosen this cap nut, washer and bolt. If you check this hole on the stabilizer, you will see this is a square hole, not a round hole. Check this bolt head, it's a square part, so when you insert the bolt back to the stabilizer, make sure this part is fully down. This is why some people may say the bolt is too short. Now, put the front stabilizer under the front of the bike frame like this, check this arrow, it should point to upside. Insert the bolt from button to the up. Attach washer and cap nut back, hand tighten. Then completely tighten it by this wrench. Repeat this step, remove the cap nut, washer and bolt from rear stabilizer. Either side is correct, put it under the back of bike main frame. Attach bolt, washer and cap nut, tighten it. If you find the rear stabilizer is uneven on the ground, you can manually rotate this end cap to adjust it. Step 2. Pick up this heavy seat stem, seat and back pad. Remove those pre-installed 4 bolts and washers from this tube. Turn seat upside down, remove these 3 bolts and washers. Put this seat stem above it like this, align these 3 thread posts. Attach washer and nut back, hand tighten and then completely tighten it by wrench. The space of this front nut is narrow, so take your time, slowly tighten it. Turn it back, insert this stem to the bike main frame here. Pick up this height adjust knob from hardware pack, attach it here and lock it. Attach back pad to this tube, insert bolt and washer, hand tighten first. Then completely tighten it by Allen wrench. Step 3. Pick up this side handlebar. Remove these 2 bolts and washers from here. Put the side handlebar on this curved steel plate. Check this side handlebar's direction, this is the correct way. Attach the bolt and washer, hand tighten first. Then completely tighten it by Allen wrench. Step 4. Pick up this handlebar stem, remove those 4 bolts and washers first. Insert this side into the front bike frame, follow the direction. This is the correct way. Attach bolt and flat washer on this flat side. Attach bolt and curved washer on this curved back side. Hand tighten and then completely tighten it by Allen wrench. Remove these 2 bolts here. Pull up one band, put this connector in the middle. Insert the bolt from upside like this, then attach and tighten the nut in the end. Repeat this step for the other band. Pick up these 2 band handles, hook it one by one at here. Pick up this ankle strap, hook it here on the back of the bike main frame. Some people may wondering there is only one ankle strap, but there are 2 bands here. Well, this is correct. First, you cannot pull this band with your 2 legs together, so only one strap is enough. Second, you can use one band like this, leave the other one there. Or you can use 2 bands like this will provide stronger resistance. This is how you use this strap on your ankle. Don't underestimate its function. You can try to pull 50 or 100 times non-stop. It will make you exhausted. Step 5. Pick up this handlebar. Pick up these 2 bolts, curved washers and spring washers from hardware pack. Put handlebar on the handlebar stem, attach bolt, curved washer and spring washer to it. You can slightly adjust the handlebar back and forth to align the holes. Hand tighten and then completely tighten it by Allen wrench. Step 6. Pick up this digital monitor. Turn to the back side, open this batteries cover, install 2 batteries and cover it back. Remove these 2 screws. Let these 3 cables pass through this hole. Attach removed screw to the back of the monitor like this. Tighten it by Allen wrench. After you get on the bike and rid it, you can loosen these 2 screws and move the digital monitor up and down to fit for your own requirements. These 2 black cables are pulse cable. It should connected to these 2 black cables from the handlebar. They are in black color and identical, so pick one and plug it. But pay attention to the direction. This plug has 2 pins, this plug has 2 holes. So connect it like this. Connect this red color cables with this red cable from the bike main frame. If you want to disconnect, press this part, hold and press the side of the other plug, and unplug it. Step 7. Pick up left pedal. Check crank arm and pedal, they both have a left sticker on it. Attach left pedal to left crank arm by turning anti-clockwise. This is very important, turn anti-clockwise. Hand tighten for several circles, then completely tighten it by this wrench. Pick up right pedal, check crank arm and pedal. They both have a right sticker on it. Attach right pedal to right crank arm by turning clockwise. Remember, it is clockwise for right pedal. Hand tighten first and then completely tighten it by wrench. You can adjust this pedal strap to fit for your shoe size. Now, this stationary exercise bike is finished assembly. Here are some more useful tips on how to better use it. This fasten knob and this chrome tube is the key to control the bike frame. Loosen this fasten knob and pull its head outwards, adjust the bike frame angle and then lock and tighten it. You can see there are 4 holes on this chrome tube, from up to the bottom. These 3 holes are different frame angle from upright to recumbent. The last hole on the bottom is to fold up the bike and lock it. When you try to loosen this fasten knob, you can gently step on the rear stabilizer, lift the seat part a little. It will be easier to adjust the fasten knob by doing this. When you adjust the bike frame angle between upright and recumbent, this seat angle will change together. Then you need to pull this black round knob outwards, adjust this seat to flat level again. Loosen this adjust knob and pull outwards. You can adjust the seat height by 8 those holes. Turn this tension knob left or right to adjust the magnetic resistance. Press this mode button to switch different functions. When scan is showing on the display, it will show each function's data by every 5 seconds. If you want to stay on a specific function, press the button again and scan will vanish. When you are pedaling, those numbers will start to add up. The display will auto shut down after you stop it for 4 minutes. Again, if you come across some issues during assembly or daily use, we strongly recommend you to contact us directly for after service. Do not leave a negative review or directly return it without contact us. That really doesn't help. Just simply send us an email or submit a contact form through our website. We will contact you ASAP. Now you can get on the bike and enjoy your workout. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.